Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make resin glossy. First, confirm your resin project is completely cured, which usually takes at least 24 to 72 hours depending on the product. Next, meticulously clean the resin surface to eliminate any dust, fingerprints, or other imperfections. This crucial step ensures a smooth foundation for polishing. Finally, prepare your workspace and gather all required materials, including various grits of wet/dry sandpaper and specialized polishing compounds. Start the sanding process with a relatively coarse grit, such as 400 grit wet/dry sandpaper, to remove any major imperfections or unevenness. Work in small, circular motions, applying even pressure across the surface. Gradually move to progressively finer grits, like 600, 800, 1000, and 1500, ensuring you remove all previous scratch marks before advancing. Always keep the resin surface and sandpaper wet during this stage to minimize dust and achieve a smoother finish. Once sanding is complete, apply a small amount of a specialized resin polishing compound to a clean, soft microfiber cloth or a buffing pad. Using a rotary tool on a low setting or by hand with firm, circular motions, buff the entire resin surface. This step helps to remove any remaining micro scratches and begins to restore the shine. For an even higher gloss, repeat the process with a finer polishing compound. After achieving your desired level of gloss, thoroughly clean the polished resin piece with a gentle, non-abrasive cleaner and a fresh, soft cloth to remove any compound residue. For added protection and an extra layer of shine, consider applying a thin coat of resin wax or a clear, UV-resistant top coat. This will help maintain its brilliance and protect against minor scratches. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.